I have just left work and like thousands, maybe millions of people across Beijing, I am now heading home. The moment you hit the road at this time, you can already feel the city changing. The energy is different, the roads are fuller, the traffic gets heavier, and suddenly the whole city starts moving in the same direction. What I find interesting about Beijing is that even traffic here has its own rhythm. It's busy, sometimes intense, but it still feels organized in a way. You can really feel how massive this city is when everyone is trying to get home at the same time. This is one of the most real part of life in Beijing. The evening commute, no tourist spots, no filters, just long roads, endless lanes, streams of cars, and that late afternoon light slowly turning into evening. If you have never driven in Beijing before, this might look a little overwhelming at first. The roads are huge, the traffic is constant, and there's always movement everywhere. But after a while, you start to understand the flow. Every district feels connected like its own world, and every drive tells a different story. Today's drive is from west side of the city, Shijingshan, all the way towards Chaoyang, and right now we are going to enter from Chaoyang District to Shijingshan District. To be honest, I actually like this part of the drive. Yeah, there's traffic, but it's still interesting to watch. People are getting off work, the roads are packed, buses are full, and the whole city just feels alive. Sometimes I look around and think, wow, Beijing is seriously huge. Even a normal drive home can feel like a full little trip here. Well, after a long day at work, this kind of drive can feel a little bit tiring, especially when the traffic is heavy and you still have a long way to go home. But at the same time, I don't know, there is also something peaceful about it. You are just on the road, watching the city, following the traffic, and slowly making your way back home. I think a lot of people can relate to this feeling, no matter where they live. At the end of the day, all you really want is just to reach home, relax a bit, maybe eat something good, and just switch off from everything. It's still bright outside, the sun is still there, and the traffic is still heavy. But at least now it feels like home is getting closer. For some people, this might just look like a normal drive after work. But for me, in a city like Beijing, even something simple like this can still feel like a little adventure. And honestly, this is the kind of side of Beijing I like showing. The everyday life, not just the tourist places. So my dear friends, if you enjoyed this drive to the real side of Beijing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will keep bringing you more real life moments, hidden places and everyday adventures from Beijing and across China.